A very good afternoon and evening to everyone. So just going to take a recap of what's happened today so far. And US equity markets did open higher, that on a series of good earnings reports pre-market. So we saw the likes of Abbott Labs beat on their EPS for Q1, so that was expected at $1, came in at $1.03. They also boosted their forecast, so this adding to a bit of good sentiment going into the open there. And since then, it has been a relatively quiet session. However, we did see market talk of the think tank report on Spain, saying that there's a contingency plan for a fund for Spain. So this ahead of that bond auction tomorrow from Spain, where they're tapping the 3-year and also 10-year benchmark, which has garnered quite a bit of attention. That'll be the main point of focus for the European session tomorrow. So although little market movement on the back of that did gain quite a bit of focus. We also had the Department of Energy inventory numbers today, so the headline crude number showed a build there of 3.86 billion barrels against expectations of a build of 1.8. However, we saw a similar drawdown in gasoline, so a bit of a mixed market reaction to WTI crude futures, undecided as to where they were going initially there. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow, we have a plethora of earnings reports. So we have Bank of America reporting, Morgan Stanley, Capital One. So as a reminder, they did fail to meet the requirements for the stress tests, for the Federal Reserve stress tests that we saw recently. And we've also got Microsoft reporting as well. And as already mentioned, got those Spanish auctions, which will be the main point of focus during the European session tomorrow. But for the time being, that's enough for me. I'll have an update for you tomorrow morning. Enjoy the rest of the session in the meantime.